Negasngi Chief Minister ka jala ukon rat sangma de chamu wagi MDC wa emaga liang sanchar ka JHADC wa den ga yilang ha ba klama pathai ko bor dong wa kat kamu man kat ni ka JHADC cham chitam go ha ga liang poisa poilain dapati wa sorkar ang de Pynlait ka arpau klur ka bah ka JHADC wa saka khande klur ka bah da pandai ha ki arli ti yawawan wa ini da wirab ha iya council dong le wa da iklam le yak bu ni benta ha ga yilang negasngi ki wirab ya ka JHADC wa ki wi council ha po ka jala Hawa kali da amit mu pengkui ka bahak wa yo council ukon ra do wa do pai ite wa iwa kong san hi to wa wan ra er kom krek kam iwa klan.
Yes, the major issue in the JHADC is of course the issue of pending salaries and the overall financial stability in the JHADC as a result of obviously different bans on coal mining earlier, which then has taken time to now streamlined, but as I said, we have now reached to the point where we have streamlined it to a large extent. But the financial impact has still been there on the JHADC and on the other district councils of the state. So those were discussed in detail. I, of course, shared with the MDCs that we have just sanctioned another 20 crores out of the dues that are there for the council. Another 19 crores is due, hopefully in a couple of weeks or maximum 3 weeks' time. We should be able to release that also. So that should give some stability and some kind of release the pressure of the JHADC. And in the meantime, we are also discussing with them regarding future ways and means in which we could work together to find ways in to support the JHADC and the other district councils also, and also work towards reforming the councils, whether it's administratively, financially, and overall to see the overall working of the councils. So all those matters were discussed, and we will be following up this meeting by having another meeting in the next 2-3 days. Deputy CM will be meeting them, and then post that we will be meeting other at finance level and other levels to then again further discuss the matter. I hope that as we move further, we are working on a long-term solution to this problem, so that once and for all we can see some kind of financial stability in the council, but it's still in planning stage, so I'll refrain from giving details right now. Simple issue, it's very complicated, it has got huge impacts. We will see how we can address the issue, but at the end of the day we have to look at how we can create stability there in terms of finance, and with that objective we will explore all possible options.